Welcome. In front of me is an Emporia Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. So let's do that right now. So once you see the boot mode, you can let go, and from here you want to use volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm. So let's select the second option, Fastboot mode. Let's volume down to confirm it, and there we go. That's all it takes. So that is how you boot into Fastboot mode. And once you're ready to leave it, you can either hold power key and volume down till you see this screen just kind of turn off, or by simply popping out the battery, which is going to be a little bit faster. So there we go. I'll just simply wait for it to boot back into Android. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.